Good day everyone, this is Muhammad Ari Sultan and welcome back to Sir Zen's channel. Okay, let us solve some mathematics problem about combination. Number 19. How many ways can a group of 5 be selected from 5 boys and 5 girls if the group must contain 3 boys and 2 girls? Letter A, 151,200. Letter B, 1,200. Letter C, 252. Letter D, 100. Okay, kapag ganito yung ating given or kapag ganito yung ating question, always look for the clue na nasa stem. Okay? So, sinabi dito, group of 5, tapos selected from 5 boys and 5 girls, tapos must contain 3 boys and 2 girls. Kapag ganito yung mga clue natin, okay? Isa sa mga clue na pwede natin masabi na ito ay permutation or ito ay combination, always look for order or hierarchy. Okay? Pero dito, wala naman tayong nakikitang hierarchy o di kaya is order. Ibig sabihin, it must be combination. Okay? Okay, para sa mga clue naman ng combination, specifically for combination, meron tayo ditong tinatawag na group, o di kaya ay committee, o di kaya ay team. Okay? Wala talagang arrangement na ganyan. O walang arrangement, o di kaya ay walang hierarchy, walang order ng arrangement nila sa grupo. Okay? Kapag ganyan yung mga clue na nakita natin sa STEM, that is automatically a combination. Okay? That is automatically a combination. So, kapag sinasabi natin combination, hindi na kailangan yung order, hindi na kailangan yung hierarchy. Okay? So, dalawa yung kukunin natin na kukunan natin ng combination. Okay? Yung combination ng mga babae at saka combination ng mga lalaki. Okay, for the combination of boys, that would be 5 and 3. So that would be 5 taken 3. Okay? 5 taken 3 kasi 5 sila. So kukuhan natin ng 3. Sa mga babae naman, 5 sila, kukuha lang tayo ng 2. So for the boys, we have 5 combination 3. Okay? So kapag ganyan, 5C2 or 5 combination 3 that is equal to 5 factorial is equal to 5 minus 3 quantity factorial multiplied by 3 factorial. Okay? Para naman sa mga babae, we have 5 combination 2. Kasi yung 5 that is a total of them, tapos kukuha lang tayo ng 2. Okay? So that is 5 factorial is 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 quantity factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. Okay? So isolve natin yan siya. Yung mga lalaki, 'di ba, sinabi natin kanina, 5 factorial is 5 factorial divided by 5 quantity, 5 minus 3 quantity factorial multiplied by 3 factorial. Okay. And na-discuss ko din sa una kong video about yung factorial natin. So, subtract lang natin yan siya. Tapos, yung 5 factorial is, mag-stop tayo sa 3 factorial para makancel natin. Okay? Kasi may factorial, may 3 factorial tayo sa ating denominator. Okay? So, that would be 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. Tapos, yung 5 minus 3 quantity factorial, that would be 2 factorial. Okay, ngayon, pwede na natin i-cancel yung 3 factorial sa numerator at saka 3 factorial sa denominator. At saka yung 4, pwede natin i-divide yung 4 sa 2 factorial kasi yung 2 factorial that would always be equal to 2. Okay? 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. Okay? So, makakancel yung 4, magiging 2 yan siya. So, 3 factorial and 3 factorial, makakancel din yan siya. So, mag-remain lang dyan is 5 multiplied by 2. Kapag i-multiply naman natin yan, magiging 10. Okay. So, 5 combination 3 is equal to 10. Yan yung number of ways sa pagkuha ng mga lalaki. Sa mga babae naman, we have yung sinabi natin kanina, 5 factorial over 5 minus 2 quantity factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. Gaya ng ginawa natin kanina, 5 factorial, mag-stop tayo sa 3 kasi kapag i-subtract natin yung 5 at saka 2, magiging 3 factorial lang siya. So, mag-stop tayo sa 3 factorial. So, that would be 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 factorial. Sa baba naman, 5 minus 2, that would be 3 and factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. So, gaya ng ginawa natin kanina, mag-cancellation tayo. Maka-cancel yung ating 3 factorial sa numerator at saka sa denominator na 3 factorial. Tapos, yung 4 natin sa numerator, pwede natin yun siya i-divide sa 2 factorial natin sa denominator. So, kapag i-divide natin yun siya at mag-cancel tayo, that would be 5 multiplied by 2. Okay? 5 multiplied by 2. Kapag i-multiply naman natin yung 5 at saka ng 2, that would be 10. Okay. So, 5 combination 2 is also equal to 10. Ngayon, para mahanap natin yung ways, kung ilan nga ba yung ways para makabuo tayo ng group of 5, i-multiply lang natin yung combination ng boys at saka ng girls. So, that would be 10 multiplied by 10. Kapag i-multiply natin yan, that would be equal to 100. Okay? 100. So, ang ating sagot is letter D, 100. Follow for more.